You've probably heard the saying, age is just a number. But what if you don't feel as young as you used to? Don't worry. There's a secret to feeling young and vibrant. And it's not found in a magic pill or a fancy cream. The secret is in healthy food and staying active. Aging is a part of life. But that doesn't mean you have to age quickly or feel sluggish. You can actually age gracefully and beautifully by making some simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. It's true. Eating healthy foods can make you feel younger, help your skin look better, and even lower your risk of getting sick. In this video, we'll show you 15 amazing foods that can help you look and feel younger. These foods are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that help your body stay strong and healthy. Plus, we'll share some foods that can help reduce wrinkles and keep your skin glowing. So stick around till the end because we've got lots of exciting tips and info to share. Let's get started. 1. Watercress, a secret skin superfood. First up is watercress, a leafy green that's super healthy for you. It's packed with calcium, potassium, and vitamins that help your body feel great. Watercress is amazing for your skin because it has antioxidants that protect your skin from the harmful effects of things like pollution and sunlight. It even helps your skin look brighter and more glowy. Add some watercress to your salads or sandwiches, and your skin will thank you. 2. Avocados, the creamy skin helper. Next, we have avocados. You've probably heard how great they are, and it's true. They're packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and antioxidants. These good fats help keep your skin moisturized and smooth. They also fight those harmful free radicals that can make you age faster. You can add avocados to toast, salads, or even smoothies. They're yummy and super good for your skin. 3. Blueberries, little berries with big benefits. Let's talk about blueberries. These tiny fruits are bursting with vitamins and antioxidants. They help protect your skin from damage caused by the sun and pollution. Blueberries also support collagen production, which helps keep your skin firm and bouncy. Add a handful of blueberries to your cereal, smoothies, or just eat them as a snack for a natural, healthy glow. 4. Green tea, the super drink for your skin. If you love tea, you're going to love green tea. It's packed with antioxidants that help protect your skin from aging. Green tea has a special antioxidant called polyphenols that can fight off free radicals and keep your skin looking young and fresh. Try drinking green tea every day, and you'll see how much it can benefit your skin and overall health. 5. Fatty fish, like salmon, the omega-3 wonder. Let's talk about fatty fish like salmon. Fish like salmon are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for your skin. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation in your body and keep your skin smooth. Plus, salmon has a special antioxidant called astaxanthin that helps your skin stay hydrated and elastic. Eating more fatty fish is an easy way to keep your skin glowing. 6. Pomegranates, the wrinkle-fighting fruit. Have you tried pomegranates? This fruit is filled with antioxidants that help keep your skin youthful. They help reduce dark spots, protect your skin from UV rays, and even support collagen production. Instead of reaching for a sugary snack, try some pomegranate seeds or juice. Your skin will thank you for it. 7. Papaya, the sweet skin booster. Papaya is another fruit you'll want to add to your diet. It's rich in vitamins A, C, and E, and it contains an enzyme called papain that helps exfoliate dead skin cells. This means your skin will stay soft, smooth, and glowing. You can eat papaya as a snack, or make a papaya mask for your skin to enjoy its natural benefits. 8. Red bell peppers, a colorful skin saver. Next, we have red bell peppers. These colorful vegetables are full of carotenoids, which are antioxidants that protect your skin from damage. Red bell peppers are also rich in vitamin C, which helps your body make collagen. Collagen is important for keeping your skin firm and youthful. You can slice up red bell peppers and add them to salads, sandwiches, or stir-fries for a healthy, skin-friendly boost. 9. Extra virgin olive oil, the healthy oil for your skin. Have you ever heard of extra virgin olive oil? This oil is packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that protect your skin and keep it elastic. It also lowers the risk of heart disease and helps protect your body from harmful free radicals. Try using olive oil in your salads or as a dip for bread. It's delicious and great for your skin. 10. Flax seeds, tiny seeds with big skin benefits. Flax seeds are small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to skin health. They contain omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which are antioxidants that help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Studies show that eating flax seeds can help keep your skin hydrated and glowing. You can add flax seeds to smoothies, oatmeal, or salads to enjoy their anti-aging benefits. 11. Spinach, a super green for healthy skin. Spinach is packed with vitamins and antioxidants that help your body stay strong and your skin stay youthful. Spinach helps your body make collagen, which is key for firm and smooth skin. It's also great for hair health and reducing inflammation. You can eat spinach in salads, smoothies, or even as a cooked side dish. It's super easy and healthy. 12. Broccoli, a green powerhouse. Broccoli is a true anti-aging food. It's rich in vitamin C, which helps your skin stay firm and smooth, and it's full of fiber and other antioxidants that fight free radicals. Plus, it's packed with calcium for strong bones. Add some broccoli to your meals, and your skin will love the results. 13. Dark chocolate. Yes, chocolate is good for you. Who doesn't love dark chocolate? It's not only delicious, but it also has antioxidants that help protect your skin from sun damage and slow down the aging process. Just make sure you choose dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa for the most health benefits. Enjoy a small piece of dark chocolate every day for a yummy skin boost. 14. Sweet potatoes, a sweet skin secret. Sweet potatoes are orange because they're packed with beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that helps restore skin elasticity. They're also rich in vitamins C and E, which help protect your skin from damage. You can enjoy sweet potatoes in so many ways: baked, mashed, or even in pancakes. 15. Nuts, small snacks for big skin health. Last but not least, we have nuts. Nuts like walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which helps protect your skin from UV damage and keeps it healthy. Nuts are also easy to snack on during the day, so you can easily add them to your diet. Try adding a handful of nuts to your salads, smoothies, or just enjoy them on their own as a snack. 16. Yogurt, your gut and skin's best friend. Yogurt isn't just delicious, it's also great for your skin. It's packed with probiotics, which are good bacteria that help balance your gut. A healthy gut means better digestion and healthier skin. Yogurt also contains vitamin D, which helps reduce inflammation and keeps your skin calm and clear. Try adding yogurt to your breakfast or enjoy it as a snack. You can even use it in face masks for a natural glow. 17. Tomatoes, red and ready for healthy skin. Tomatoes are full of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from UV damage. They're also packed with vitamin C, which helps your skin produce collagen and stay youthful. Eating tomatoes regularly can even help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. You can enjoy tomatoes in salads, sandwiches, or make your own tomato bonus tip. Drink water and stay active. In addition to eating these amazing foods, don't forget to drink plenty of water and stay active. Moving your body for just 30-40 minutes every day helps keep your skin glowing and your body strong. So remember, age is just a number, and with the right foods and habits, you can feel and look younger for years to come. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and take care of your health. It's the best way to age beautifully.